Hey guys, it's Yamakasime here, and we are here with Will You Press That Button? We're waiting for a moment. Oops. Well, let's just read it anyway. You can have dinner with any historical figure. You'll catch an old-time disease from them. Like, oh god, nope. You'll become the most beautiful woman/handsome man, but you will never have to use the internet. Sorry, I can't. No. You could travel to any place in the world anytime you want. You would have 8 fingers on each hand. Yeah, I don't want 8 fingers. You can have 6 Pokemon of your choice. No one will ever believe that you have Pokemon, and they will think you're weird in imagining it. Yes. Don't we already do that with Pokemon Go? You get to release one horrible. It's like Twilight from history. Yes! A series you love will also be... No! Not perishing anything else I like. But I have to. Don't mind that. You will live as long as you want. You have to start at the beginning of the universe. I would actually like that. God, no. No. Can visible anytime you want. Children can see me. That's a ghost. Dogs can see ghosts too. Well, guys, this seems to be the most boring game. But yet, that's just my opinion.